friends, it's Gabby. So today I'm standing because my table's messy and I really don't want to fix it right now. But today I'll be doing my July favorites. I haven't done a favorites video in a while, so I'm really excited to share you guys the stuff I've liked this month and probably like the past months before this. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. I'm gonna start this video off with my beauty favorites. So first thing is my ColourPop Yes Please palette. This consists of 12 shades and they're very pigmented, by the way. I personally really like these three colors because I like red and orangey shades these days. So yeah, as you can see, it's a little dirty because I've used it that much, but like I've only had it for about a month or so and I really like it. The only thing that I want in it is a mirror, like right here, because I have really bad eyesight, so when I do my makeup like from afar, I can't really see it that well. Moving on to the next beauty favorite, I have my Maybelline Great Lash Waterproof Mascara. This one works wonders. I usually like put mascara, but like today I didn't because I just really wanted to film this video in a natural makeup look because I'm too lazy to put on makeup today. But this is amazing. This is actually really waterproof. It doesn't really budge when you wash your face, so you have to put like oil cleanser to get it off your eyelashes. It does a great job. It does what it does, and it's like $4. Moving on to my next beauty favorite. I don't know if it's like beauty, but I consider it as beauty. So my next favorite is this Bath & Body Works Stress Relief Body Lotion. This was given to me by my friend Bella, whom I met last June, like the end of June. She visited New Jersey for me, and yeah, we hung out at a mall, and she gave me this lotion from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good, and obviously I've used like this much within a course of a month. It does the job. Lately I've been putting a lot of lotion on my hands because my sister told me that my hands were rough, so I wanted to change that, and that one really helps and it smells really good. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this one. Alrighty, now we move on to fashion. So the first thing in my fashion favorites is this fanny pack. I got this from H&M last month. I've started using this. It's really convenient having it like on your hips or like around you, just like without looking for anything. It's just like right there. Yeah, this was for $20 and it's really pretty. It has this like big pocket here and then another pocket behind. But yeah, it's very simple looking. The only thing I don't really like about this is that this like strap is too long for me because it's for men, but I don't know. When I bought it, I didn't notice how like the straps were like flipped over or whatever, and I still bought it. I wasn't looking, so I didn't have time to return it. Next fashion favorite is this wide leg pants from Uniqlo. Whoa. So I've had this for a while. I've had it since like January. I got this at a Uniqlo in Paramus for $10 because there's like promos in early January before, and I got this one. These were really nice. Basically they're just like wide-legged. I've shown them in a vlog before. I will link it down below and also here. If it's not here, then it's on the other side, but like here. It will be on the cards and down below for the lookbook that I made. And yeah, it's really pretty. The only thing is that it makes me look a little short because it's long. Alright, let's move on to the random stuff. The first thing that I wanted to show you is this pair of headphones, my Marshall headphones. I think these are the mid or MID versions, which is like the middle version, the middle style, I guess, because there's a major one, there's mid, and then there's like another one. This was for $80 and it's wireless. You could Bluetooth it onto your phone or your laptop or wherever. I really like it. I think it's a really good buy. The only thing I have a problem here is that my ears are too big for this. Like, it doesn't cover my ears fully, so sometimes when I use it for too long it hurts. Nonetheless, it's really good. I use it when I work out, when I edit most of the time, and we're on a road trip because like it's a really like light device, and it folds like this, and you don't have to charge it like every night after you use it because its battery life is about, it's like 30 plus hours. But I haven't charged this in like, I don't know, 2 weeks and it still works. And it also comes with a cord, so if you want to try it out, go ahead. And yeah, another random favorite is this Koya pillow from BT21. You guys, I finally got it because I remember saying in my BT21 vlog that I wanted to buy the pillow, so I got this one. I was very close to getting Tata and Man, but like this one really caught my eye, and it also matches my bed sheet, but it looks cute. This was for 30 bucks at the Line Friends store, so yeah, this was a smaller version. The bigger version is like 42. Another random favorite is not here, but I'll attach a picture. It's banana milk, because recently I found banana milk in a Korean store. It's really good. First time I've tried it, I was like, whoa, this tastes like scramble. If you don't know what scramble is, it's like a dessert. Is it a dessert? It's like a drink, cold pink beverage in the Philippines. Tastes similar to that, but I like scramble better. But either way, it's really good. Alrighty, moving on to apps. The first app is Hulu. Recently my mom got like us hooked up to a Hulu account because I'm in Sprint now. So I have like free Hulu for some reason. And I watched like 3 shows already. The only problem with that is that we have the like normal version, so it has ads. It's like Netflix, but has more options for me. So yeah. Moving on to my next app, which is a completely random app, by the way. It's the Magic Sing karaoke app. So if you don't know what Magic Sing is, it's a karaoke machine that's like popular in the Philippines. So we have that, but it has the old songs, so I can't really sing those, and I've been like really into singing these days. I've been having like the urge to sing. I started singing through this app because like I've looked into Smule or whatever, and they only let you sing 1 song for free, and then you have to pay for it. But this one you can sing for like unlimited times for a week, and yeah, I've been doing that this week. So yeah, now time for shows and movies. I have watched a ton. So the first show is a Chinese drama. It's called A Love So Beautiful. I've been wanting to watch it for a while. My sister recommended it to me, and it's really cute. It's full of fluff. It's like short, pretty good. So it's a 10 out of 10 for me. The next thing I watched is a movie, and it's Taxi Driver. It's a Korean film about a German journalist who traveled to Korea during like, I think it was like 1980s or something, where they had a martial law. This taxi driver helped him go to Gwangju to film the reality of what was hidden from the world. Yeah, that was really good. I really liked it. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. The next show that I watch is a Korean drama, and it's Uncontrollably Fond. I just finished it yesterday, I think, or a few days ago. It's really good. It's a really long drama for me, honestly. It's like 20 episodes. The story was really slow, but the ending was like good. It made me cry. So yeah, I really liked it. Definitely recommend. Next is a movie called Alex Strangelove. It's a movie on Netflix. It's like a coming out story. It's really good. It's a nice story. I really loved it. And then last one is The Incredibles 2. I've been waiting for this for years, as everybody else did, like 10 years I think or whatever. It's really good. I really enjoyed it. Interesting animation. I really enjoyed it. Definitely recommend it. Go watch it. Moving on to my book favorites, I only have one, and it's Haruki Murakami's South of the Border, West of the Sun. As you all know, I'm a big Haruki Murakami fan. I've like read a lot of his books, and this one does not disappoint. It's really good. This one is about a man who is having trouble being happy with his like life, which is like good. He's rich, he has a family, and then he meets a childhood friend and realizes stuff. More of like a self-realization kind of book. Makes you realize a lot of things. And moving to the last bit, music. I've listened to like a lot older music, like not super duper old, but like 2014 or whatever. I only have 2 song favorites right now. The first one is Ribs by Lorde. It's a classic. It's been a while since I last listened to Lorde. I started listening to this song, which resonates with me right now. I loved that song. The last thing I've been listening to is an album. It's the Sam Smith album, In the Lonely Hours, like another old album. I've been listening to it a lot. We watched a Sam Smith concert last June, and it was really good. I really enjoyed it. Anyway, that wraps up the video. That's pretty much all of my favorites right now for the month. I think I've said a lot of things. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, because I make fashion, travel, beauty, and lifestyle videos. So if you like that stuff, go ahead and subscribe. It's probably down below. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'm gonna go head out. May your day be as bright as the sun. Bye!
햇살 비추듯이
Life, fall in love 삶은 사람의 상처받고 바람을